So dear friends, in this video I will try to show you how possibly change your Gmail account phone number. First, you have to open your PC or phone. Then open a browser that you like to browse and click the search bar and write Gmail. Then press search. In your search list, click the first website and wait for open. In your right corner, you see your Gmail account and click this. Then you see manage your Google account. Click this. Then you can see some option: home, personal info, data and personalization, etc. Second option is personal info. Click that. In the personal info, there are some basic info what I used to create my account. Scroll the page, then you can see some contact info what I can use to create my Gmail account. Click the phone number. Click on the phone number again. Click the pen icon. Then it will take you the login page and ask you to log in with the password. Write the password and click next. Again click the pen icon. Then you will see that it is asking you to update your phone number and click the update phone number. Lastly, you have to enter the number you want to change instead of that number. Then click next button. Then your number will change. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to get latest video by turning on the bell icon next to it.